Welcome to my music theory and reading music course. You can read every lesson in this series at your ease at pianotheoryexercises.com, where you will also find interactive exercises to practice what you've learned. Below this video you will find links to those lessons and exercises on the website. Also below this video you will find a link where you can download this whole music theory course as a free ebook, so don't miss this opportunity. And if my lessons helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks a lot! In lesson 11 of the music theory series, I will exactly explain you how to form minor chords. I will start with minor triads, and after that I will explain how to form minor seventh chords. Now those minor seventh chords, I will split them in two. First, the chords that we just call minor seventh chords, and after that, the minor major seventh chords. Now those minor major seventh chords are not very common. You don't hear them very often, at least in rock music, blues music, or other popular music, you hardly hear it. Where you can hear minor major seventh chords is in jazz. So, if you're a beginner in music theory, I would for now skip the minor major seventh chords. They're totally on the end of this video, so if you're a beginner, just skip the end. If on the other hand you're a little bit more advanced and you like to play jazz, then of course I would say yes, watch the end of this video. Watch how minor major seventh chords are formed. Okay, so let's start. And as I said, we will start with minor triads. Now, like with major triads, the minor triads are also formed of the first, the third and the fifth note, in this case of the minor scale. So let me start with C minor. As you know, the C natural minor scale is C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C. Now the first, third and fifth note of the C minor scale are C, E flat and G, and this is the C minor triad. Let's look at the interval between the two first notes of the triad, which are the C and the E flat, and which are the first and the third note of the scale. This distance is a minor third interval. Remember that with major triads, so the C major triad for example, that was C, E, G, this distance was a major third. In minor chords, this distance is a minor third. There are different notations for minor triads. Above the keyboard you can see them. So let me give two other examples. For example, A minor. Now, as we know, the A natural minor scale consists only of white keys. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G and A. The first note, or root, third and fifth of that scale are the A, the C and the E. So this is the A minor triad. Other example, E flat minor. The E flat natural minor scale is E flat, F, G flat, A flat, B flat, C flat, D flat, E flat. The first, third and fifth notes of that scale are E flat, G flat and B flat. And that is the E flat minor triad. Now of course you can find all the other minor triads in the same way. But there is another way to find minor triads. Let me go back to C minor. As you know, the C minor triad is C, E flat, G, but the C major triad, as we have seen in the last lesson, is C, E, G. So what's the difference? Only the middle note. The E in the major triad is an E flat in the minor triad. So the major third becomes the minor third, and that's the only difference. So when looking for the C minor triad, I could have said also, well, first look at the C major triad and just lower the major third by a half tone to the minor third, and you have the minor triad. So let me just quickly show you this also for A and E flat. The A flat major triad was A, C sharp, E. Lower the major third, which is C sharp, a half tone to the C, and you have the A minor triad. Same thing for E flat. The E flat major triad is E flat, G, B flat. The major third is the G. Lower it by a half tone to G flat, and you have the E flat minor triad. So that's another way to find minor triads. Now, all the other minor triads, you can find them yourself in the same way, one of the two methods. So I would say, try them out yourself. I will show the answers in a while, and you can stop the video for now. Okay, here they are, all the minor triads. Let's move to the 7th chords. Now, I will start with the minor 7th chord. And the minor 7th chord is very easy. It's just a minor triad, and you add the 7th note of the natural minor scale, which is the minor 7th. So, in the case of C, when I want to form a C minor 7th chord, I first take the triad, so the C minor triad, which we know, and I add the minor 7th, which is the B flat. The minor 7th is always a whole tone below the root being C, the minor 7th a whole tone below. So C, E flat, G, B flat is the C minor 7th chord. And you can notate it as follows. So let me show you how A minor 7th is formed. We start with the A minor triad, which you know by now, A, C, E, and you add the minor 7th. One whole tone below the root being A, one whole tone below is the G. So A, C, E, G is the A minor 7th chord. Same thing for E flat. The E flat minor triad is E flat, G flat, B flat. When we go an octave up to the root and then a whole tone lower, we arrive at D flat. So E flat, G flat, B flat, D flat is the E flat minor 7th chord. Okay, all the other minor 7th chords, you're going to find them yourself, and you can stop the video now. After that, I will show you the answers. Here they are, all the minor 7th chords. Now, as I said, I will now go to the minor major 7th chords, but if you're a beginner, I would say just stop the video here, because you will not need them. If you need exercises to practice those minor chords, you can go to the website pianotheoryexercises.com, and in the article that talks about minor 7th chords, on the bottom of that article you will find exercises, interactive exercises that help you practice minor chords. You will find the link below this video. So, minor major 7th chords. Well, it's easy. It's just a minor triad and you add the major 7th instead of the minor 7th. So, let me show in the case for C minor. The C minor triad is C, E flat, G. The major 7th is a half tone below the root being C, half tone lower is the B. So, this chord, C, E flat, G, B, is the C minor major 7th chord. And you can notate it as follows. Now, concerning the name minor major 7th chord, minor stands for minor third, and major stands for major 7th. Let me move to the A minor major 7th chord. The A minor triad, A, C, E. The major 7th, one half tone below the root, is G sharp. So, this is the A minor major 7th chord. A, C, E, G sharp. And last example, the E flat minor major 7th chord. First the E flat minor triad. The root is E flat, one half tone lower is D. So this is the E flat minor major 7th chord. E flat, G flat, B flat, D. And as always, you can find all the other minor major 7th chords yourself. So just try it out yourself and pause the video, and after that you can look at the answers that I will give in a while. And here they are, all the minor major 7th chords.